Well, hey, it's Bruce Latch, and we're down at Timeless Arts, Refinishing in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'll put the phone number and the website down below in the link if you want to check us out. We're just going to show you, we're working on this harp. It came out from around Saginaw area, Saginaw, Michigan. We're going to show you what not to do if you ever have an accident with something like this. And what we're doing now is we have to strip both sides down, and Coit, come on over here and show you. We'll show them the side first. What happened is the lady was tuning her harp. She dropped the tuning key right here, and she decided that she wanted to play and try to fix it as if it's an easy thing to do. And what you really shouldn't do is try to fix something like this or your own piece of furniture if you haven't ever practiced on anything else. Don't use an expensive item like this to learn. And what she did right here is it's a spruce inlay, a piece of veneer over the top of the core, and she actually sanded a dip in that. So once she sanded a dip in there, sanded it through here, you can see where it sanded through the finish, not the finish, but the veneer finish, the thin piece of veneer that they put on there. It's damaged for life. And as you can see on the other side over here, after she got done with her repair, she proceeded to put polyurethane all over it and muck it up even more. And as you can see over here, these are decals on there. And so I told her, you know, I'm going to have to strip it to try and fix it, and the decal will definitely come off. So what not to do is try to repair stuff like this on your own. If you're going to try to do something like this, get another piece of wood and practice and get a lot of advice and practice on something before you. This is probably I don't know, I think she said it might be a $17,000 harp or $7,000 harp. It's not a cheap instrument, and there's no way this damage can be fixed now. So luckily for me, my wife is a furniture decorator and worked in the furniture companies, Kendall and Baker's and Whitcomb's, as a hand painter. So Sandy's gonna paint this back on here, and over here she's gonna put something with some raised jet, so at least it ain't got a big dip there. It'll be a high spot with a little seed, maybe a flower, I don't know. We don't know what she's gonna put there yet, but we talked to the customer about that. So once again, rule of thumb is, if you don't know what you're playing with on stuff like this, I don't mean to sound rude, but just don't make a muck of it, because when you break through this veneer, you got a problem. And you can do that on furniture as well. So you might want to do a little research of what you're doing. But we're going to do a few more videos on this as we proceed on it, and Sandy's painting it and so on and so forth. So meanwhile, we'll be taping it up more as we're finishing it, but right now we're just stripping it. So we just needed to tape up this stuff to keep the stripper off everything, and that's it. As we finish it, we'll tape up more, so when we're spraying, it's not getting overspray on it. So, and once this is stripped, this tape will come back off and everything will be clean, and then we'll sand it, and then we'll retape it before we go any further. So thank you.